Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you what just arrived in the mail. So I decided to order this year the Stephanie Stitches Winter Project Box. I ordered this on Etsy. Now, if you're still waiting for yours, go ahead and turn off the video so we don't spoil your surprise. So go ahead and turn it off. Okay, if you're still here and you want to see what's inside, let's take a look. So I ordered this box with my own money. I'm not sponsored. So let's open it up. These are my scissors for cutting paper and tape and other things. Okay, this is a nice sturdy little box that this comes in. Oh, cute. Can you see that? The cute little thank you sticker with this gray tissue paper. Okay, this looks so cute. It says, "Welcome to the winter edition of my project box. The colors of winter are so lovely, but the chill is not. So I've included something to help warm you up. I chose this fabric line because it reminded me of the winters here in Ohio. From the colors to the cardinals. Come sew this project with me on my YouTube channel, Stephanie Stitches, on November 6th at 5 p.m. So I've missed that. I live a long ways away from Ohio, so this took a minute for me to get it. Oh, we don't want to look at that because that shows the contents. Okay, let's look. First, I'm seeing this cute vanilla marshmallow. It's a cocoa marshmallow topper in a bag, a pack of hot cocoa. That will be delicious. And we have a, this says Acorn Precision Piecing Products Easy Press Pen. Easy Press Pen. Press seams like a pro. Use with the Easy Press fabric treatment. Okay, I have never used one of these. I don't even know exactly what it is. It says save time and piece like an expert with the Easy Press pen. Okay. So we have this Easy Press pen. I'm not sure what this is or how it works, but I'm sure we'll find out. It looks like it probably goes with this. Acorn Precision Piecing Products Easy Press Fabric Treatment. Renews fabric after pre-washing and drying. Improves accuracy when cutting and sewing. Used with the Easy Press pen. Or mist bottle, it says. Save time while quilting and piece like an expert with the Easy Press fabric treatment. Use instead of starch or starch alternatives. Adds volume and inhibits fraying. Use with the Easy Press pen or mist bottle to press seams beautifully flat. Alright, so that sounds interesting. So it's a starch alternative. I do use starch in quite a few of my quilts, so I'll look forward to trying this and seeing how that works. And then we have this lovely Aurifil thread. This is 2710. Can you see that? And this is the larger spool. So that's really nice. And it looks like it goes with our fabric just beautifully. So let's check this fabric out. This is Riley Blake Designs Winterland by Amanda Castor. I think that's what that says. Let's look at it. So you've got these nice blues, pale blues. I am not the best at flipping fabric, you guys. The red and the blue. That's adorable. Seriously, I can't flip this fabric. Alright, you're gonna have to be patient with my fabric flipping. Ah, I'm seeing the cardinals. Let's get this off. I didn't want to tear it, but here we go. Oh, there's cardinals on that one too. So they look like they're tree trunks. Cute. So let's just flip it like this. Look at that. So those are pretty. This is not your typical Christmas colors, but it is really pretty for winter. Instead of just Christmas, like a winter project, which this is a winter project. And let's read her note. And see what we have here. So we have the 5-inch stacker. We have a 7/8 of a yard holly wreath print. I'm going to assume it's that one. We have 1 1/4 yards of the snowflake for backing. We have a 1/2 yard flurry sky print for your binding. Okay, so binding, backing, and this is your background. That's really cute. And then we have this adorable pattern. Charming Prisms pattern. We have the runner and placemat. So we have the charm pack, the 7/8 of a yard, the binding, and the backing. So she's given us all the fabric to make this. This is cute. So I'm thinking, I'm trying to decide if it's enough fabric to make the placemat and the runner. Maybe it's to make one placemat. I don't know, I'll have to look into it, but that's really cute. Won't that look really pretty with that fabric for a winter project? Okay, so that's what was in Stephanie Stitch's winter project box. I think it's really fun. I like that she's given us the fabric for the whole project. I love that. And I'm going to give this a try for sure. See how I like it. Okay, thanks for watching tonight, you guys, and we'll see you on the next video. And we'll see you tomorrow for my weekday sewing vlog. Bye!